killed my mate. Lower your sword. There will be plenty of time to kill me.
I do not trust sorcery.
There are many kinds of sorcery. Some of it good, and some of it evil.
Which are you?
That would depend on whom you ask.
I would call that creature in the next room evil.
Once, she was not. The wizard Yara learned at my knee, but he wasn't happy. He wanted it all. He wanted to rule over man and beast. When I refused, he turned my beautiful wife into that monster you saw, and me into this creature that sits before you.
I'm sorry about your wife, but it is my woman I will rescue with this stone.
In death, my wife is at last free. What you did was not bad. She died of love. Your love for another.
I do not understand why Yara doesn't walk in and take the stone.
His powers are strong, but not complete. He needs the stone for that. He will be helpless in my tower. For 200 years, he sent countless thieves. Spydra killed all those who got through my garden.
If I kill Yara, can you free my woman?
No! You must give Yara the stone.
Then I will be responsible for giving him total power.
Trust me.
Why?
The one who killed Spydra would be the one who would kill me and thus deliver the stone. You must give him the stone.
I cannot kill you. You are not my enemy.
Cut out my heart and take the blood and squeeze it over the stone. You would be setting me free from this terrible body and joining me with my love in a world that is far better than this place.
I understand well. Wanting to be with your love.
When you give Yara the stone, tell him that Yag-Kosha gives you one last gift and one last enchantment. Those words, exactly.